2007 Honda CR-V 2.4. Today we're gonna replace the valve cover gasket. So we remove this cover here using a number 10 millimeter, and those two bolts there, they're holding one cover also. So to remove the ignition coil, we need to remove the number 10 bolts. We got 4. We remove the bolts and then we disconnect the ignition coils. Oh, and also we're gonna remove this bracket for the power steering hose. Alright. I recommend you to remove the hose completely, because when we install that valve cover, we need to remove the hose anyway. So remove the power steering hose. Okay, so we're removing the ignition coils. Okay, just play a little bit, and just be careful that do not damage the connector. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna remove this bracket, remove the dipstick, this hose, and these brackets. This number that we got 2 number 10s to remove. Remove this side, and also we're gonna remove the other side. Okay, the other end. To get some room to play with the valve cover. Alright. Okay, so now I remove this bolt, and I think you need to remove just 2. The other one is holding a bracket, so carefully with those number 10. Alright. Alrighty, so it's loose now. And then we are going to remove the valve cover bolts. Okay, this one, this is 3, 4, 5, and 6. We got 6, and we're gonna use a number 10. Alright, we remove the nuts. And we're gonna remove these pieces here. Okay. Because the gasket kit comes with new ones, so we need to replace those grommets. And so. Okay, so you take it down just to remove those 2 on the back. take carefully to lift the valve cover up, and we're gonna play a little bit, okay, to remove it from the spark plug tubes. So be careful. So we lift one side and we play with the left and right. Okay. Yes. So basically, you need to remove the power steering hose. So I'm going to remove it when I start installing the valve cover back. Alright, so we're gonna clean this area right here really good. We're gonna remove the silicone that is in here, and we're gonna put new silicone. Okay. We're gonna replace these grommets, and this is the part number. As you can see, it comes with everything. All right, so we remove the gasket. Okay, and we're gonna use a flat screwdriver to remove the grommets and a hammer. See, in this position, you're gonna hit it, and then you're gonna remove it. It's really easy, so just take your time, okay? So one is out, and as you can see, it's not damaged. So you're gonna do the same thing with the other three. Okay. Alrighty, so before we install the new grommets, we're gonna clean. Just you can see there is no damage on the valve cover. So alrighty, so we're gonna just install it like that. Just make sure it goes even, goes down even, and let's try it again. All right, so now that it's in position, we're gonna use like a socket. Yeah, 30, and with a hammer we're gonna just install the grommet. Alrighty, so we're gonna do the same thing with the other three grommets. Do not put no grease or any lubricant, because it's really hard to install those grommets with lubricant. So no lubricant needed. Okay. Alright, so let's install the other three, and now we're gonna install the valve cover. So I'm gonna put a little bit of silicone in some points. Okay. To hold the valve cover gasket on place. Okay, just a little bit, and here, and that's it. So let's install the valve cover gasket. All right, make sure it's all the way down, and we're going to let it dry for like 20 minutes while we're cleaning the head. Alright. Alrighty. So also we're gonna add a little bit of grease in the grommets for the spark plug tubes to easy installation. So now we're gonna clean all around there. Okay, we're gonna put some silicone in that joints right there, there, and under there. Alrighty, so you can see my silicone is there, and also on the back. So there you go, here, and there. Alright, 4 points to put silicone. So we need to remove the power steering and pressure hose for easier installation. Okay, so we remove those bolts number 10. Alright, just carefully we put some rag there for the fluid. We're gonna try to hold it up like that. Okay, to install the valve cover. Then when the cover is down, just reinstall the power steering hose. Just make sure all the grommets got in place with the spark plug tubes. So as you can see is in place right now. Okay, so the gasket is in place and in the back and also on the front. All right. Yep. All right, so we install the valve cover nuts. All right, so we're gonna do like a hand tight pattern. So there's 1, that's 2, there's number 3, there's number 4, 5, and 6. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, the torque should be like even. Okay, so again, it is. So we're gonna torque those at 12 Newton meters or 8.8 foot-pounds. So we're gonna do like a torque sequence. So this one is number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, and 6. So just do double check, okay guys? Alrighty. So now we're gonna install those 2 bolts number 10. We're gonna reconnect this hose and the hose clamps. Okay. We're gonna leave it in the same position. There you go. And we're gonna install the ignition coils. And don't forget to reinstall the power steering hose bolts, okay? You're gonna torque those at 12 Newton meters as well. Okay, so the harness. Okay. Alrighty. Make sure our plug and the cover So double check and make sure everything is in place. Yep, there you go. Yep, that's it, guys. Just we're gonna add some oil because I do the oil change. So that's it, guys. So I hope this video helped you to do your own valve cover gasket for this Honda CR-V. So if you got any questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to help you. And the last step, is to reinstall this cover here, and the cover is on the intake manifold. All right, thank you, and see you next time.